I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Contact Form 7. Select a form. Next, search and select an action Dokan. Connect to the Dokan. Dokan connected successfully. Next, choose a task. I am choosing to create a new vendor. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use them for your requirements. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Dokan dashboard. Then navigate to the vendor. You can see that the new vendor has been successfully added in Dokan. Thanks for watching.